Hi scholars, it's Miss Pearson. Welcome back to science. Today we are going to be continuing to talk about light. This will be our last lesson on light. I'm so proud of all of you scientists for how much you've learned so far this year. So last time we got to answer the question of how can we redirect light? And we got to watch a really awesome experiment by a scientist named Josh, who was able to use mirrors and CDs, really reflective or shiny objects, and he was able to use them to get the light source, the flashlight, to get the light from the flashlight to go all the way around and hit the target. Today we're going to be reviewing what kinds of objects reflect light. So we know that when an object reflects light, that means when you shine a light source at it, the light comes back at you. It can almost blind you. It shines back in your face or goes back towards the light source. So we are going to play a game called Can It Reflect Light? We might remember that there are certain kinds of objects that reflect light. Are these objects shiny or dull? Yep, these objects are shiny. So that means when we're playing this game, you're going to be looking for those shiny objects because you know those are the kinds of objects that reflect light. All right, we're going to play our game. Can it reflect light? I'm going to show you a picture of an object, and if you think it can reflect light, if you think it is shiny, then you are going to show me some silent excitement. If you don't think it can reflect light, you're going to give me a thumbs down. Silent excitement if it can reflect light, thumbs down if it can't. Let's get started. Here is my first object, a mirror. Can a mirror reflect light? Ooh, shout out to those scholars showing me silent excitement. We know a mirror can reflect light. Nice job. What about a book? Can a book reflect light? Or at least this book? Wah, wah, wah. No. A book is not shiny. It's not going to reflect light back at us. What about these colorful paper clips? Do we think that they can reflect light? Do we think that they are shiny? Silent excitement if you think so. Thumbs down if you don't think it can reflect light. No way, Jose. While these paper clips might be colorful, they are not shiny, so they are not going to reflect light. What about a diamond? Can a diamond reflect light? Oh yeah, a diamond can reflect light. Shout out to you if you showed silent excitement and you knew that. What about a disco ball? Here's a picture of a disco ball right here. Do you think a disco ball can reflect light? Silent excitement if you think it can reflect light. Thumbs down if you think it can't. Wah! Yes! Oopsies, Miss Pearson was so silly. Yes, of course a disco ball can reflect light. It is very shiny. In fact, the disco ball is made up of a bunch of tiny mirrors, so it does a really awesome job reflecting light. What about a lemon? Do you think a lemon can reflect light? Silent excitement if you think it can reflect light. Thumbs down if you think it can. Nuh-uh, sir. Thumbs down. A lemon cannot reflect light. It is not shiny. What about a CD? Do we think a CD can reflect light? Oh yeah, a CD can definitely reflect light. I can even see this person's reflection inside the CD. That's because it's reflecting light back at her. or him, or them, whoever that person is. Nice job, friends! Give yourself a kiss on the brain if you were able to figure out all the objects that reflect light and all the objects that do not. Today, after watching this video, you're going to head on to Seesaw. My question or task for you today is to find an object that can reflect light. So go look around your house, see if you can find a shiny object that can reflect light. When you find that object, click the camera and take a picture of your object. I want to see what you found. When you're all done, press the green check to submit your work. Can't wait to see what you all are able to find. Bye, scholars. See you next Tuesday.